Let me show you all display settings that we have available on OPPO Reno 15. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings on our phone, and then in here, let's just go to display and brightness. Of course, at the top, we can find the choice between the light mode and the dark mode, so you can choose whichever you like to use. And of course, we can create a schedule for the dark mode as well. So if you decide that, for example, you want to automatically switch to the dark mode at a given time, then you can do so by selecting, for example, the custom option, or you can choose sunset to sunrise. Besides that, we can go to the dark mode settings to find some additional options in here. There is also the brightness section, so we can adjust the brightness of the screen quite easily by moving left and right in here on this slider. We can also enable or disable the automatic screen brightness. And then we have some color settings as well. So we have the screen color mode where we can choose the standard, natural, or vivid colors. And we also have the screen color temperature option. We have the eye care to protect your eyes if you are using your phone at night. So you can use the eye comfort and sleep for automatic adjustment of these colors. And you can also use a custom eye protection to be able to manually adjust how intense the filter should be, the yellow or orange filter. You can also create a schedule for that eye protection mode. And also we have display effects where you can switch to black and white colors. Now after that, we can also find the adaptive tone, so you can turn it on in order to automatically adjust the screen color temperature based on ambient lighting conditions to ensure consistent screen colors in any environment. There is also the font section where you can choose the font style in here. You can also go to more in order to open the store with the different fonts. And also we have the font size and font weight options, so you can adjust the size and thickness of the font and the text, of course, on the phone. Display size allows you to adjust all elements, size of all elements that you have on the screen. So we have small, standard, and large over here. And then we have the automatic screen rotation, so you can rotate your display over here if you want to, of course, with this option. We have the automatic screen off or the screen timeout, so you can choose after what time of inactivity the screen should be automatically put to sleep. There is also the screen attention, which allows you to keep the screen on when you are looking at it, even if you exceed the screen timeout that you select over here. We have screen resolution, so you can simply choose the resolution that you want to use on your phone. There is the screen refresh rate, so you can choose 60 or up to 120 Hz, or you can choose automatic select, which uses 120 Hz pretty much all the time, except for cases where you have higher power consumption at a given moment. Then the phone can reduce the refresh rate to 60 Hz. And full screen for apps or cutouts, so you can adjust them over here. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you're looking for some other visual settings, then you can probably go to the home screen, lock screen, and style. And then in here, we can quickly switch to a different theme, or you can swipe up in order to also find, let's say, always on a display, icon settings, and in more, we can find color settings, finger animation, and fingerprint, animation, the edge lights. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So leave a like and subscribe.